Alright guys, who is ready to do oranges? Look at all those oranges. It's actually my phone prop right now. I am swimming in oranges. I have these. I have more over here on the other counter, another about 15 pounds. I have beautiful apple butter. I showed these on Instagram. The gorgeous. But they're not for me. They're for hubby's work. But I have so many oranges. So we are going to preserve these in a few different ways. These are a little on the overripe side. They're not bad. They're just not really firm. So these I'm going to zest every single one of them and dehydrate the zest for future use. And then I'm going to juice all of these and freeze them in portions for recipes. The other side, not the other side, the other oranges are going to be thinly sliced, and I'm going to dehydrate them in slices with the rind on, and they're going to be awesome for to put in soup broths or tea or lemonade or water or baked goods. It's just going to be absolutely amazing. So I hope you stick around, and I will see you guys here in a bit. Okay, so these went all night long. So they probably went about, I want to say around 24 hours is how long these have gone. And that is how you know they're done. They are hard. So you just want to store your orange slices, and they have the peels on them, in an airtight container. And I'm going to use my vacuum seal on my jars. There. So I ended up getting 4 trays of these. I got a whole quart of juice, which my husband has already drank because he's sick, so he had some of that good vitamin C. And then here is the zest. Now the zest also completely dry, which is what you want. And I have another jar for this. And again, just an airtight container, and that's all you need. And then, like I said at the beginning of the video, you'll be able to use this in anything that calls for zesting, or with the peels. You can use that in broth, you can use it in drinks, tea, baked goods. Possibilities are endless. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video, and maybe it'll give you an idea if you see oranges or lemons in the discount section at your local store, or just a nice sale, and you can stock up and have some delicious additions to your pantry. Till next time guys, thanks for watching.